The kitchen trends of 2025 are finally here, giving us an irresistible urge to transform our space. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the year's hottest materials, bold colors, and innovative designs. Whether you're planning to renovate this room in your home or just want to get some inspiration, this video is for you. Stay with us until the end for my tips and ideas for a functional, stylish kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe if you want all the tips and tricks regarding renovations. Here are the 10 must-have kitchen trends for 2025. That's right, farmhouse kitchens are still with us, but with a different approach. This year, it's inspired by the charm of French countryside, but with a little bit of a modern twist. The rustic style becomes more chic with modern glass fixtures and glided metals. Brightness is gained as the trend leans towards large windows. Appliances remain discreet and soft colors like beige harmonize well with wood, gold, and brass. The classic apron sink fits perfectly into the European farmhouse. You can also add ceiling beams and a plaster hood to accentuate the style. The double island kitchen is set to become a trend in 2025. I really love this one. Of course, you need the large space to do this. It's a concept that's practical not only for preparing meals, but also for bringing large groups together for entertaining. Set aside an island for preparation with drawers, cupboards all around to be very functional, and you can also integrate the stove, microwave, and small electrical appliances. The other island with a large uncluttered counter and stools becomes the ideal gathering place for friends and family, and even just to have breakfast. So for those who love cooking and gatherings, this is definitely a dream kitchen. This year, kitchen design is mixing materials: wood, glass, copper, bronze. The idea is to create a dynamic decor. We combine different textures and finishes, such as rough and smooth materials put together. To integrate it, choose 2 or 3 materials that you like. So an example, a mix of wood with painted cabinets paired with a large veined marble worktop. You can also alternate matte and gloss finishes like textured wood storage with a smooth glass backsplash. Play with metallic details on handles, fixtures, and accessories. The important thing here is to choose the right balance to create an up-to-date kitchen that will stand the test of time without losing any charm. In this trend, upper cabinets are placed on countertops. This arrangement optimizes handy storage while adding a personalized touch to your decor. When you opt for glass doors, you have the option of showcasing selected crockery and accessories. Some storage units can also hide small appliances for easy access. To integrate this concept into your kitchen, it's important to have enough counter space as cabinets reduce preparation space. Place them in the corners or at the end of the worktop to maximize storage and maintain a good functional preparation area. What a great way to rethink the classic kitchen layout. I really like this trend. After the big stainless steel hoods so common in our kitchens, let's discover plaster hoods. I love this idea. These matte textured hoods add an authentic touch to our kitchen. They blend perfectly with a variety of styles, especially rustic and traditional interiors. It's a simple way to enhance your decor without undertaking major renovations. The idea is to conceal your hood behind the structure, which tends to become an interesting architectural feature in the space. So if you're thinking of building this type of hood, here are a few options. You can place it between cabinets, ensuring that it is slightly deeper than the depth of the cabinets. We want it to be well proportioned, neither too slim nor too imposing. You can also have it floating on its own on a wall, depending on your layout, of course. So bring up your ceramic backsplashes on each side to blend it into your decor, and maybe add a wooden molding for a gentle reminder. A little vintage decoration here and there, and you're all done. After years of open plan concepts, it's time for a change. The closed kitchen is making a comeback for greater privacy. Okay, let's see, this is interesting. Whether behind doors, partitions, or walls, your kitchen is transformed into a quiet corner for preparing meals and hiding clutter. Noises and smells stay contained, keeping the rest of the house peaceful and orderly. It's also perfect for clearly separating living areas. So if you opt for an enclosed kitchen, make sure you have big windows to keep the space bright and inviting. Choose materials that match your concept and decor, even if it's hidden. This may not be the most popular choice, but it's worth considering if you prefer to prepare your meals discreetly to surprise your guests around a spectacular table. It's up to you to decide whether this trend is right for you. In 2025, kitchens are embracing bright, bold colors. Deep blues energize the kitchen, while greens suit them. Shades such as 70s burnt orange, pink, terracotta brown, and pale gray also enrich this year's palette. To incorporate these colors, choose a main hue for the furniture. I'm talking about island, cabinets, and shelves. Natural materials such as wood and stone blend well with the earthy tones, while good lighting enhance the nuances. Choosing a color for your kitchen is a commitment. Make sure you like this color for a very long time. If in doubt, opt for an accent wall or colorful accessories. They'll be much easier to modify if you want to change it after a few years. Transparent glass fixtures are on trend in the kitchen this year. Whether it's classic globes or unique designs, they highlight the beauty of glass and add a touch of lightness. Opt for a suspended trio above the island or a large centerpiece above the dining table to create a really beautiful wow effect. Round fixtures with simple lines suit any style. To avoid glare caused by the bulb visible through the glass, place them above the eye level and use warm light bulbs, and don't forget, always install dimmers on the switches. The modern rustic kitchen combines modern and rustic elements in the same space. With the popularity of raw materials, we see textured wood, natural stone on the walls, concrete, and metal. Here, textures take center stage, and to those the modern edge, minimalist contemporary furniture kind of complete this look. The style comes to life with colors like beige, taupe gray, olive green for walls and cabinets. Next, expose or create a stone or brick wall. Consider also a wax concrete hood and matte finishes for the floor. For added touch, bronze and clear glass objects will enhance this beautiful decor. Noble materials are making a comeback. Wood, for example, is no longer limited to rustic styles only. Scandinavian and industrial interiors use different types of wood such as oak, walnut, and maple in light to medium shades. So kitchen cabinets are a great way to incorporate wood, but if your budget is limited, consider a wooden island or maybe even just a dining room table. Combine with a marble countertop, white or beige walls, and furniture. Rattan lighting and chairs will beautifully complete this decor. I hope this video on Kitchen Trends 2025 has inspired you for your future projects. To stay timeless, choose quality finishes that you'll appreciate for a very long time. Don't forget, good lighting and warm tones on dimmers is essential, and always prioritize the functionality of your kitchen is really important as well. To discover 5 other great 2025 kitchen trends, and more importantly, all the ways you can incorporate them into your home, visit renoassistance.ca. The link to the article is below this video. So which trend caught your eye? I invite you to share your favorite choices in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss out on our bathroom trends 2025. If you'd like help for your kitchen renovation project, Reno Assistance is here to help.